another Diwali Dhamaka video with Sindulgence, and today we're making yummylicious bundi sev cheesecake shorts. बूंदी सेव is something that I really relish because बचपन से ही जब यहाँ पे गणपति होते थे हमारे कॉलोनी में तो मेरी दादी was used to take part in doing the social service and stuff. So she used to get this प्रसाद का डब्बा at home जिसमें बूंदी सेव होता ही होता था, and that is my favorite. So I thought let's make something with it. I know बूंदी बहुत common है Indian desserts में, fusion desserts में, तो I think I hope you'll like this video. I hope you'll like this recipe. Do try it out and let me know. Let's start with making it now. So guys, I've taken 4 Karachi pista biscuits over here to make my base for cheesecake, for the cold cheesecake dessert that we're making. I'm going to crumble all the biscuit. So these biscuits are from the Karachi bakery. You can also use normal digestive biscuits or whatever you like, or you can also put a bed of pistachios at the bottom instead of putting any cookies. But I like the flavor of these biscuits. They're very yummy and delicious, so that's why we opted for this one. Going forward, we're taking white chocolate which is melted over here. Okay, I'll be putting all the measurements in the description box. This is the white chocolate that we melted. This here is cream cheese. I've taken Delecta cream cheese, and this is my whipped cream. I whipped the Amul whipping cream. You can also take Tropolite. If you take Tropolite, then white chocolate आप थोड़ा कम डालेंगे, otherwise बहुत मीठा हो जाएगा. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first take my cream cheese. Just press it a little. Make sure it's nice and smooth. One thing I forgot to do was I did not add my spices to my white chocolate. I have taken cardamom, kesar and a little bit of cinnamon over here. Let me just mix that in. And then I'm going to add this mixture to my cream cheese. Make sure everything is well melted and mixed. White chocolate helps giving your dessert a structure. We do not want to add any gelatin or anything, that's why we use white chocolate. Now you'll go ahead and take cream and keep folding it in. I have not added any sugar to my cream because we are adding white chocolate to our mixture. So that's my mixture. It's not very thick right now, but I'll keep it to set in the fridge. Not right now, I'm going to keep this aside. First we're going to make our base. So we have our crushed biscuits here which we hand crushed before. Okay. You can also put it in the mixer and or crush kar sakte ho, but I like it to be chunky, so I'm going to leave it like that. You can see these chunks, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my butter and just mix it in. You can see a wet sand texture. This is what you're going to put on your bottom of your mold or whatever you're making it in. We are making it in chai cutting glasses. I'm going to take my mixture of butter and biscuit and put it at the bottom. Okay. I think I shift to a piping bag, that's easier and will be neater. Just adding a little bit of pistachios on the top. If you want, you can skip it out or add any other nuts that you like. But since we've set a tone to this dessert, we've added pista biscuits at the bottom. We will add some pistachios on the top. So guys, here is our cheesecake cold dessert, cold cheesecake dessert. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty and I really love the colors. If you have orange bundi, that will also look nice. This looks really good. I think we should just do the taste test and tell you how it really tastes. So much. Basically, it has a lot of flavors, little bit sour because of cream cheese, a lot of sweetness and crunchiness because of the sev and the bundi. It's good. Sorry guys. So if you want a little more sweetness, which I think you wouldn't want because there's a lot of white chocolate gone inside, you all can add a little bit of powdered sugar to it. But I think try it out like this because white chocolate does a lot of justice to it, and all the amazing पिस्ताज एंड मैं तो नीचे गई नहीं, मैंने कुकी खाई नहीं एक्चुअली, मुझे भी खाना चाहिए. कुकी का फ्लेवर ऑफ कोर्स अच्छा होगा बिकॉज उसमें बटर गया है. इट वाज नाइस. निखिल सेज इट्स नाइस. I hope you all like this video. If you all do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. दिवाली का ये 7 दिन जो हम बिता रहे हैं आपके साथ, आई होप आपको पसंद आ रहा हो. अगर और कुछ वीडियोस देखने हो आफ्टर दिवाली ऑल्सो, comment down below and let us know. And do please share these videos with your friends and family. WhatsApp group पे share करो and please share it. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye.